Welcome back to Luxury Motorhome, and today we are stepping into a new era of land travel with the breathtaking 2026 Cadillac Apex Royale. This is not just a motorhome. This is a moving world of elegance, a grand estate on wheels, a rolling penthouse crafted for those who believe luxury should follow them wherever they go. Just one look at it, and you immediately understand that this creation is far beyond the ordinary. It stands tall, bold, sculpted with a presence that stops conversations and turns every head before it even comes to a complete stop. The first sight of the Apex Royale feels like witnessing the launch of a futuristic yacht designed to glide across highways instead of oceans. Its body is sleek and magnificently aerodynamic, sculpted with smooth, flowing curves that give it a sense of motion even when parked. The two-tone metallic paint shimmers under the light, with champagne gold blending effortlessly into deep black accents that wrap around the sides like liquid metal. As the sun hits it, the entire vehicle glows with a soft, luxurious sheen, giving it the aura of a prestige masterpiece handcrafted for the future. The advanced LED lighting system creates an unforgettable first impression. Razor-sharp daytime running lights carve along the front like strokes of light from a designer's pen. Wraparound taillights sweep across the rear with seamless precision. And at night, subtle ambient accents run along the edges, illuminating the contours of the motorhome with soft, delicate light. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a floating luxury suite, glowing gently against the horizon. Above the Apex Royale stretches an expansive panoramic glass roof that runs almost the entire length of the motorhome. From the outside, it feels like a strip of space-age transparency, but from the inside, it is a sky portal, offering clear open views of sunsets, stars, and morning sunlight. Whether you are cruising through a mountain pass or stopping by a peaceful lakeside, the ceiling above you becomes a giant window to the world. Approaching the entrance, the automated entry system welcomes you like a personal concierge. The hidden retractable steps glide outward silently, illuminated with soft pathway lighting. A digital keypad glows beside the door, waiting for your touch. As the door slides open, the Apex Royale feels like it is inviting you into a private sanctuary crafted just for you. Everything about this entry experience whispers sophistication and elegance. Stepping inside, you are immediately embraced by a world crafted with exquisite detail. Genuine Nappa leather wraps around the furniture and seating, offering a buttery smooth texture that instantly elevates the atmosphere. Fine wood veneers run along the walls and storage panels with warm, natural grain patterns, complemented beautifully by brushed aluminum accents that give the interior a modern, clean finish. Every surface feels intentional, every corner polished, every line smooth and luxurious. Soft ambient lighting fills the entire motorhome, shifting gently to match your mood. You can brighten the space with crisp daylight tones or soften the room with warm, golden hues for evening relaxation. At night, you can choose deep blues or calming purples to create a peaceful, almost spa-like energy inside the cabin. The lighting doesn't just illuminate the space, it transforms it. The open concept layout flows effortlessly from the living area to the kitchen and into the bedroom, creating a sense of uninterrupted space. You never feel enclosed. You feel free. The windows around you are crafted from smart glass technology, allowing you to adjust opacity instantly. One moment you are enjoying crystal-clear panoramic views of forests, cities, or the open desert. The next moment, with a single tap, the windows frost over for full privacy, enveloping you in your own quiet sanctuary. The living space features 360-degree rotating recliner seats that feel like first-class airline suites brought into a luxury home. They glide into perfect lounging positions, offering support, softness, and silent motion. These seats can transform into loungers or even fully flat beds, making long road trips feel effortless. A high-end entertainment system anchors the space with a stunning OLED smart TV and immersive surround sound from premium audio brands like Bose or Harman Kardon. Whether you are watching a film, listening to music, or enjoying a scenic slideshow, the sensory experience is rich and vivid. Walking into the kitchen feels like stepping into a compact gourmet studio. Everything is built around intelligent design. The smart induction stove responds instantly with touch controls. The compact refrigerator and dishwasher are seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry. Storage spaces are hidden within the walls and under the counters, keeping the entire area clean and uncluttered. Expandable counters slide outward when needed, giving you additional workspace for food preparation. Even more impressive, many features respond to voice control. You can adjust lighting, activate appliances, or change temperature settings using simple verbal commands. It is modern living at its finest. The dining area flows naturally from the kitchen and maintains the same sense of clean luxury. You sit down at the table, surrounded by soft lighting and premium materials, and it feels like dining in an upscale boutique restaurant. The panoramic glass roof above adds a touch of magic, making every meal feel like an experience. Moving toward the bedroom, the feeling becomes even more intimate and serene. The king-size bed is a centerpiece of comfort, built with a memory foam mattress that adapts to your body with gentle precision. Mood lighting wraps around the headboard and along the edges, allowing you to set the perfect ambiance for rest. But the true highlight is the panoramic stargazing ceiling above. As night settles outside, the smart glass roof can turn transparent, giving you a mesmerizing view of the stars from the comfort of your bed. It feels like you are drifting through the universe while wrapped in luxury linens. The bathroom continues the theme of five-star luxury. The rainfall shower envelops you in warm, cascading water, while the marble sink adds elegance with its polished finish. The smart mirror serves as a digital hub, offering infotainment, weather updates, environmental controls, and lighting adjustments at your fingertips. The temperature adjusts automatically, creating a seamless, relaxing experience every time you step inside. Driving the Cadillac Apex Royale is a completely different kind of pleasure. The hybrid electric drivetrain pairs a powerful turbo V8 engine with high-torque electric motors to create over 700 horsepower of smooth, confident performance. Despite its massive size, the vehicle accelerates with surprising ease. The adaptive air suspension reads the road surface constantly and adjusts ride height and damping in real time, making every journey exceptionally smooth. Whether on the highway or climbing steep mountain roads, the all-wheel drive system maintains total control and precision. Inside, advanced noise cancellation silences wind and road noise, leaving you in a cocoon of calm. The entire motorhome glides forward like a luxury yacht drifting through still water. The digital driver cockpit is futuristic and intuitive, with a customizable dashboard and immersive 3D navigation. The autonomous driving assist takes over during long stretches, using adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and hands-free steering to reduce fatigue. A 360-degree camera system ensures perfect visibility for tight parking spaces or narrow roads. The AI travel assistant enhances every journey by suggesting scenic routes, finding charging stations, and even recommending beautiful spots to stop and enjoy nature. The Apex Royale is not just a vehicle. It is a travel partner. Technology flows throughout the entire motorhome. Smart home integration allows you to control lighting, entertainment, climate, and security from your phone or through voice commands. Satellite internet keeps you connected worldwide. Optional add-ons elevate the experience even further, like solar roof panels for sustainable off-grid travel, a built-in espresso machine for cafe-quality mornings, or a retractable outdoor deck where you can sit, relax, and enjoy a sunset in complete comfort. You can even choose custom interior themes crafted by world-renowned luxury designers. As the journey comes to an end, you step outside and look back at the Cadillac Apex Royale. The lights glow softly, The glass roof reflects the sky. The elegant body lines stretch gracefully across the length of the vehicle. And you realize this is not just transportation. It is lifestyle. It is freedom. It is ambition turned into reality. And that is the magic of the 2026 Cadillac Apex Royale, a $5 million rolling penthouse that redefines what it means to travel in luxury. A masterpiece designed not just to take you places, but to elevate every moment along the way. Thank you for joining us on this cinematic journey. If you enjoyed discovering the next chapter of luxury motorhomes, stay tuned because more breathtaking innovations await here on Luxury Motorhome. Until next time, imagine the road ahead, imagine the possibilities, and imagine yourself behind the wheel of the future.